Yo, what's up? How are you guys doing? Very well, I suppose. Today I'm really excited to start off with our learning session. And in this session, we're going to talk about what blockchain actually is at a very basic level. So, according to the Wikipedia, a blockchain is a growing list of records called blocks that are linked together using the cryptography. This is a very high level definition of what blockchain actually is. There is much more to it, but for now, this is just fine to get the thing started. So as we can see, it is a growing list of records. So what are those records or so-called blocks? Think of it as a structure which contains few items, and those are the data. And data could be anything you want to provide to this block. For example, I have provided it with the press the like button as a data to my this block. The second thing is the previous hash value, and we're gonna come to this within a few moments. So let's just talk about our third item, which is the hash value. If you guys don't know what hash is or what hashing is, the next whole session is all about hashing, so don't worry. But for now, think of it as a fingerprint of a human being. As each and every human being has its own fingerprint, similarly, each and every block in the blockchain will be having its own fingerprint kind of thing, which is also known as the hash. So these three items will always be there in the block, and those are the data. The previous hash will be always the previous block's hash value, and the third item is its own hash value or its own fingerprint. So we got our block ready. So how does it is added to the new blockchain, and how does the it is linked to the previous block? So let's just get to know about this. Let's take an example. We have our first block, which is also known as the Genesis block. It will surely be having its own data. The previous hash for this block is all zero because there is no previous block to it, and its own hash value, its own fingerprint. So we want to add a new block. We will create a new block, and that block surely will be having its own data. The previous hash for this new block will be similar to the previous block's hash value, which is the Genesis block hash value. As we can see, is there, and due to these two previous hash and the hash value of the previous block is same, it got connected, and this is the process how the block is added to the chain. If we want to add a new block, the same procedure will go on. We will create a new block. The data, the previous hash of that block will be similar to the previous block's hash value, and we're gonna connect those. So this is blockchain at a very high level. There are many more concepts to it, like hash cryptography, mutable ledger, the distributed peer-to-peer network, the mining, and the consensus protocol. We're gonna cover all these items in our next sessions, so don't worry. And I hope this is a very good tutorial for the very basic of the blockchain. So thank you everyone. Bye bye. Ciao.